Linda, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I will do a tutorial on this look that I have right now, and I am going to use the Nabla Cosmetics new Poison Garden palette. That is, I mean, look at this. They had me at the packaging already. I was like, it's so beautiful. So I will do this makeup and I hope you like it. Let's go to the tutorial. Let's just start with putting up my hair in a little. This is so cute. It's from the Body Shop and I feel like a true crazy cat lady. If you live in the Nordics, you probably noticed that autumn came fast and it's getting really cold. So to prep my skin and prevent it from cracking when you have foundation on, I'm using Linda Hallberg Infinity Glass. It gives an amazing shine, and use it as a primer when you have dry skin is really, really good. Okay, foundation. I'm using Janessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover in shade N03. This is a very concentrated foundation, so you just need a little bit. A little goes a long way. And I don't really use concealer at all because this covers pretty much everything, so I don't need it. As you can see, it covers up all the spots and redness. It doesn't dry down to a matte finish. It stays pretty shiny. So I could recommend it to someone with dry skin because it will totally fit with your skin type. As a powder, I'm using Linda Hallberg Infinity Filter in Light, and I am going to apply it with a powder puff. Because even though I want a glowy base, I still want to set it in some places, like the T-zone. And then I don't care if it's super shiny around here. And as you can see, this powder is mattifying, but it still gives a little hint of glow because it's a mineral-based powder, which makes it a little bit, not shimmery, but it gives that hint of that you don't get this flat feeling on your face. So, and I may have some secrets for you guys. Brows just happened, and I'm sorry guys, I can't tell you. Just not yet, but I will soon. Let's go straight to the palette. This is the Nabla Poison Garden Pressed Pigment palette, and I swatched this palette on my blog. It's a beautiful palette with a lot of colors. I am really, really interested in this shade because it's such a gorgeous berry pink shade, and maybe I could somehow mix these three, I don't know. I have actually no idea, but I want to try this palette out and I want you to be the first ones who see when I do it, so let's go. Let's start off with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original. Let's start by using Oprah, this shade that is a little bit more purple. And as this is a pressed pigment palette and also the colors are matte, some fall down may occur. And if fall down is a problem, you can just add some powder underneath your eyes like this. Just a little bit more powder just to keep the eyeshadow from get stuck into your foundation, and then you just have to redo everything again. Are we going to, I am in love with this blue. I'm gonna go in with the blue in the middle. The fall down is actually not that bad. I am blending the blue into the inner corners and I'm going to apply a lighter shade inside. So I'm going for Adoration, this duochrome shade here. Ooh, look at this, wow. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna apply it on top of the blue, like the whole way. So now I'm going to blend this And usually you can do it right now, you can just blend out the eyeshadow you already have first. And I'm starting from the purple, so I'm blending out the purple. And I'm gonna go in with Zen. I just blended everything together, and so far I really like this palette. Under my eyes, I'm using Linda Hallberg Black Core Crayon. Let's smoke it out. And after this, I will continue with the palette underneath my eyes as well, just to set the crayon. So I'm using basically the same colors. I will use this duochrome shade on top of the crayon on the inside. Ooh, look at that. You see, on top of the black, it turns out to be more purple. Then when you put it alone, it's more blue purple, but when you put it on top of this black, it turns out purple, like really. Wow, this is beautiful. That's what I love about duochrome shades that are a little bit sheer, just like our Enchanted Secrets duochrome palette. It's a very sheer palette, but if you put it on top of dark shades, like on black or brown or deeper shades, it's like, wow, the colors comes, like, they really pop. I really love how this turned out. Maybe we should do an eyeliner. As an eyeliner, I'm using Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease. It's a black kind of cake eyeliner, and I'm using the liner brush from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. I always struggle with my eyeliner on this side because I have a scar here. So it always turns out a little bit like it's a little bump in my eyeliner. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And on my lower lash line, I'm using the angled brush from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics together with the mascara to get to all the lashes on the lower lash line, because my lashes are quite small and thin and short, so it's really hard for me to like get to all the lashes without using another brush, and I think that an angled brush is a really good alternative to a smaller mascara brush, and I think that's even better. I just destroyed my foundation. When did this happen? What is this? This must have been, because I haven't even used a brown eyeshadow and I have like brown stains in my face. For lashes, I'm using Midnight Luxe from House of Lashes. I like the new collection they have, and these are so pretty. They are shorter on the inside and longer on the outside, so they will make my eye look more almond shaped. I will go over with a layer of Better Than Sex mascara because I love when the lashes are a little bit more spider leg-ish. Okay, so I think that the eyes are pretty much done. So now I will go to my face. And for face, I will use the Infinity palette. I will start with the highlighter. I'm starting with my nose. I'm applying with my finger on my nose. Cupid's bow. I still have a lot of foundation on my lips, but I will remove that later. I will also do highlight on my cheekbones. And the good thing that this is not glittery, this is more shimmery, so it gives a nice shine that you can build up. I'm using Maffei, this one, to contour my nose, and this is probably full of purple already. And I don't use contouring that much. I just dab a little bit just here and in the front just to get some shape. And then I will go contour the rest of my face. So I will use a mix of these three shades here: Swicky, Cigar, and Maffei. For blush, I'm using, that was very Swinglish, I'm using Andromeda. That is a warm pink shade in this palette. And then we have lips. I have a favorite that is called, it's from Motives Cosmetics, and it's called Reveal Me. It's a matte kind of liquid lipstick. This is probably way too old, but I don't want to throw it away. Products that are creamy, usually you should not have them longer than like 6 to 12 months. I've had this much longer. I will use some Infinity Glass on top of it because I am a little bit dry right now, and use this just a little tiny amount on top of your liquid lipstick will make it a lot more comfortable. And to top this off, I will use a face mist from Indie Beauty. It's a vegan brand by a Swedish YouTuber called Therese Lindgren. You probably know who she is. And I got this mist in a press release the other week, and it's very nice. Smells like melon. This is a moisturizing face mist with vitamin C for all skin types, and also tested on sensitive skin, so I'm gonna try this on. Feels really nice. And I love that the mist is so fine, because I don't really like those attacking face mists. Okay guys, where's my hat? So let's take this off. I love my orange hair. It feels so much more fun with orange than black. And I love how orange and purple look together. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video, and I hope you're ready for some more makeup tutorials in the upcoming weeks. I can assure you that the upcoming weeks will be very exciting. I'm super excited, and there are some secrets coming up, so stay tuned. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!